Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to hide message notifications on Instagram and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to swipe and navigate to the Instagram. You have to open Instagram. Now from here, tap on at the bottom over here. Now from here, you have to tap on the hamburger button, just tap on it. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to tap on the notifications. Now from here, you have to select messages over here. And right now, what you need to do is, as you can see, first of all, if you wanted to stop completely receive the messages, over here you can see we have an option called message from individual and group chats can be turned off. While if you turn this off, what happens is any kind of messages from the group and individual will not be appearing in the notification, and this is what we have to do. And also regarding the further, you can do as per your need. You can just tweak it if you wanted, you can do it. And now if you just go back, what happens is you'll be not getting any kind of notifications from the Instagram, that is message notifications from the Instagram, but rest everything will be popping up there. Now if you wanted to customize that as well, what you need to do is we have to go to the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down and navigate to the notifications. Tap on the notifications. Now from here you have to scroll it down a little bit and navigate to the Instagram. Now from here, what you need to do is, you can see right now all kind of notifications like likes, comments and mentioning and sharing, everything will popping up over here, and only the Instagram message notifications will not be there. But if you wanted to remove that as well from the lock screen, what you need to do is you have to tap over here, so it will not be appearing any kind of notifications from the Instagram will not be appearing here. And also if you want it from the banners to go as well, you can tap on it. And right now all kind of notifications, like I said, will be appearing in the notification center. Now if you want to completely turn it off, you don't want to appear any kind of notifications over here, what you need to do is you have to go over here, then you have to turn off allow notifications, so no kind of notifications from the Instagram will be appearing over here. And this is how we can do it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.